Hi, I'm Kristen, and today we are going to talk about Tapotement. Tapotement is a series of massage techniques that are percussive and rhythmic in nature, and unlike other massage strokes, tend to make a sound when they're being performed. So you may have heard them during one of your sessions in the past. Your massage therapist might use these types of techniques for a lot of different reasons. They stimulate the nervous system, they warm the tissue, and they tend to relax and revitalize the muscle tissue. So a lot of great benefits. Today I'm going to demonstrate 5 different Tapotement techniques so you get a sense of what's happening above you, what your massage therapist is doing when you're feeling and hearing these techniques. The first we're going to do is cupping. So if you picture that you're sort of cupping some water, we're simply going to flip and reverse our hand position and use very soft hands and soft wrists. We're going to do a rhythmic technique and apply that to the body so you can see and hear how wonderful that would feel. The second technique is called hacking, and that's using a stiffer hand, stiffer wrist, and we're striking with the pinky finger surface of the hand. And again, rhythmic and onto the body. Our third technique is called beating, and again, we're back to the soft wrist, soft hand, and alternating this type of a technique, percussive, rhythmic, moving across the body. And our fourth Tapotement technique is using the fingertips, and it's called tapping. So again, same idea, just using a different surface of our hand. So here, we're striking with our fingertips. And the fifth Tapotement technique we're going to talk about today is plucking. And it's different than the others because it's not a downward motion, it's a lifting motion. So here, we are using this type of a technique to gently lift the upper layers of tissue. And that looks like this. Again, still rhythmic, still percussive, just an upward motion instead of a downward motion. So, if you haven't received any one of these 5 Tapotement techniques, go ahead and ask your massage therapist to incorporate them into your next session. That way you get a sense of what they feel like and how they affect your body. And as always, be sure to give feedback to your therapist about pressure, if it's too much, or if you could use more, or if it's ever uncomfortable. Thank you so much for joining us for our Tapotement talk. Be well.